how to stop annoying website pop-ups on Android. In this video, I'll show you a few simple methods to block them. So let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome app on your phone. Now tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Next, tap Site Settings. Open Notifications and turn off notifications from any websites you don't trust. Then go back and tap Pop-ups and Redirects and make sure this option is turned off. Also, tap Intrusive Ads and make sure you turn it off too. If you're still seeing pop-up ads, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Now, review the apps installed on your phone. If you notice any app you don't recognize or don't remember installing, tap on it and select Uninstall. After removing any suspicious apps, restart your phone and check if the pop-up ads have stopped. That's it. These steps should help you block most pop-up ads and keep your Android phone running smoothly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.